This is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I'm here in a commercial property, Northridge, California. What we're doing here today, this property has gates. We're going to replace them, and at the same time we're going to embed the tracks into the ground. The reason for that is because there's a lot of commercial vehicles going in and out. They're basically breaking the tracks, and what we want to do is embed the new tracks into the ground. So that's why we're now cutting in. We replaced the ones that were there. As you can see, badly bent and broken. Took those out. Now we're opening a trench where we can put the new track. See, these are the new tracks. They're going to be in a U channel in the ground. So basically it's a U channel with a V track which is welded on top of it. And then you see those little spikes that are going in an angle. Those are for stability. We're going to place those in the trenches that we're opening and then cement them in so they go so they got nowhere to go. And that's going to solve the problem of the tracks getting broken. See, this is the old gates here, and these are really low duty kind of construction. So the result of that is this right here. As you can see, they're all messed up, broken, bent. So this definitely needs to be replaced, cannot be repaired. And that's why we're doing brand new gates here. And once we're done with it, it'll look much better and it'll operate very well, and hopefully, you know, for a longer period of time, because we're going to do this heavy duty construction and heavy duty materials, so it should last a lot longer. So this is the back of the property, and here we're already placing the tracks in place. So as you can see, we have cement formed and ready to be finished, and now the track is getting placed on top and slowly getting embedded into the surface. Once we're done with that, we're going to refinish the top to make it nice and smooth. And here on this end there will be a new gate as well as a new panel to close this back entrance to the working alley. Okay, so I am back here at Northridge. This project is now finished. This is the external gate for the entry. Right now, obviously, the businesses here are open, so this is in an open position. Of course, the tracks that we took care of still look good. A little bit of water from the rain, but they do look good, and they're going to last here for a long, long time. No issues there. Brand new gate here, and I will take a look at the other end of the property to see the gate which is over there. So that's the back gate for the property. A little bit of a different design, no curved spears on the top, just straight ones. Wasn't a need for them here. Everything looks really nice and clean. Sturdy construction, heavy duty post. The gate itself is going a little bit downhill, so we added small cane bolt here to hold it in place. Obviously the double locking cylinders to make sure that they can lock it to the receiving post at the end of the day. And again, our recessed track here to keep it from getting bent and beat up by all these commercial cars and trucks that are going around this property and this business. So that's it again. Ron for Mulholland Security, Northridge, Commercial Business, California.